pagtatagalin for our special topic today. Ang atin pong topic ay, immune health, providing nutrients our body needs. Ang ating pong speaker, si Coach Rafi Rivas, ang una ko pong nakaladkad sa Mission Healthier na nagaganap po ngayon sa aming buhay. So when you're ready po, take it away.
All right, perfect morning. So another day, another special topic po tayo today dito sa Virtual Nutrition Club. Pero una sa lahat, magpapaalala po muna ako. I'm Coach Rafi Rivas. 39 years old na pala ako, no? Ako po ay taong gising sa gabi since ang work ko po ay isang virtual assistant, US support. So obviously doon po sa picture kanina, dati po akong overweight. Ang common na nagiging issue ko before is sakitin ng likod at mainitin ng ulo dahil nga po laging puyat. Nag-start kami gumamit ng Herbalife products 4 years ago. So, narinig nyo na to kanina. We simply replaced our breakfast with lutein shake. Since then, naliban sa nakalus po ako ng more than 40 pounds, dumami ang energy, at ngayon po ay na-enjoy na ang paglalaro ng sports. And syempre meron din tayong supplementation na tinatawag, no? So, isa dyan or dalawa doon ang paborito kong tablets. Yan po ang ating NRG to sustain and maintain ang high energy and mental alertness. At syempre, kung may Formula 1, meron din tayong Formula 2. Yan ang ating vitamins and minerals. Alright, moving forward po sa ating nakaka-excite na topic for this morning, ang immune health, providing the nutrients our body needs. So, saan ba natin ito makikita? So, go to your Herbalife account. Just choose Learn, Browse, Nutrition and Lifestyle, and then you will have the learning module there. All right. So, sabi dito, no, our health is our most precious asset or most highly valuable. So, type 1 nga po tayo dyan kung sino yung naniniwala na highly valuable daw ang ating kalusugan or ang ating health. So, it's time to refresh our understanding of the importance of our immune system and the role nutrition plays in maintaining our well-being. So, in short po, no, or dito sa ating short learning for this morning, we will have today may provide valuable insight or that explains the importance of our protective defenses known as our immune system. So, ano nga ba yung sinasabing immunity, our best defense? Alright, so kung nakikita nyo po yung background dyan, no? So mapapansin nyo po yung parang fortress or castle. So sa mga mahilig manood ng mga Disney cartoons, kung naalala nyo po si Shrek, so nandun po si Princess Fiona. So sinave siya ni Shrek sa isang malaking castle or fortress na katulad niyan. So I want you to think of your body as the design fortress or yung castle na tinatawag natin. So every day, our body silently defends itself against potential harm through its layered system of defense. So like a well-designed fortress, gawa nung binanggit ko, we have an amazing human body that can defend and repair when it is challenged. So pag may mga kalaban or kaaway na gustong pasukin yung ating castle, so merong magdi-defend yan. At kapag medyo may konting damages, syempre meron din magre-repair niyan sa within our body defense. And then our cells are like the army protectors, each with specific roles to play to help our body defend itself. Ngayon, pag unsuccessful siya, they will repair the body when needed. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yan kung paano ba nare-repair yun, no? So ngayon, that is why our global nutrition philosophy is so important. So napaka-importante. Ano ba yung global nutrition philosophy natin? So tignan nga natin yan. So una sa listahan ng ating macronutrients. So pag sinabi natin macronutrients, meron tayong protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Meron din tayong tinatawag na micronutrients. Ito yung vitamins and minerals. At ang panghuli is yung phytonutrients. So ito yung phytochemicals or antioxidants. Saan ba siya galing? Kundi sa plants. So within these three broad categories, we understand the specific importance of protein, healthy essential fats like yung omega-3, syempre yung power of fiber to support our microbiome, and yung vitamins and minerals, and yung plant-based nutrients natin. It will keep our body in optimal condition. All right, on to our next slide. So, invaders that can weaken our defense. Ano nga ba yung mga kalaban natin or ano ba yung mga bagay na magpapahina ng ating katawan? So, unfortunately, no, sabi dito, the modern diet causes a tremendous imbalance in our internal ecosystem that can weaken our immune system. So, modern diet daw. Ano ba yung mga modern diet na yan? This is due to a constant flood of high calories from sugars, which is yung mga sugary foods, meats, and dairy products. So yung mga bad cholesterol. And this response on the body can break down our immune defense, similar to how invaders can damage our fortress. Actually, yung tinatawag na modern diet, maano ko yan mako-compare ko yan sa Trojan horse. So, sino dito yung nakapanood na nung Troy movie way back 2004? So, I know karamihan dito familiar kay Brad Pitt, no? So, siya yung Greek soldier doon, si Achilles. So, bakit ko siya na-compare yung modern diet sa Trojan horse? So, imagine niyo yung mga nauusong mga pagkain ngayon, yung mga nagte-trending na mga pagkain ngayon, kung titingnan nyo, akala nyo maganda siya sa ating katawan or akala natin marami siyang nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Pero hindi natin alam yung mismong content nun napakadaming sugar or kadalasan merong iba dyan is maraming bad cholesterol. So kung pumasok sa atin sa ating katawan na yan, so yun yung tinatawag natin Trojan horse, bigla yang kakalat sa ating internal organs at di na natin mamamalayan, maapektuhan na tayo at nagkakaroon na tayo ng mga metabolic diseases. So yun, doon ko siya compare no? So this can make one more susceptible to new or recurring illnesses kung patuloy nating makikiuso sa mga modern diets natin or sa mga modern food. Alright, so ngayon, what do our body needs to fight health hazards? So, ito pinaka-basic to, no? Tinuturo na sa atin to since siguro mga nursery tayo or kinder. So, tinuturo to sa school. So, cleaning our hands is our first line of defense because it all starts with our skin and the cells lining our airways. So this complex system is highly dependent on a wide source of nutrients to work optimally. So imagine niyo nga naman, so hindi natin kung lalabas tayo ng bahay, tapos kung saan-saan lang tayo hawak, so napakadali pong pumasok ng mga bacteria or mga viruses sa ating katawan kung hindi tayo maghugas ng kamay. So syempre, maliban sa paghugas ng kamay, ako or kami ni Lori, patuloy pa rin naming kinakaugalian na magsuot ng face mask. So, isa rin yan sa mga bagay para maiwasan natin na mapulot tayo ng mga viruses or bacteria ang pagsusuot po ng face mask. So, patuloy po natin dapat siyang ginagawa. No? Alright, so meron naman tayong tinatawag na enzymes. Ito po isang klase ng chemical which ready to help defend us from harmful attackers. So specific immune cells are focused on literally eating foreign invaders or creating specific antibodies to attack these invaders. So pag may mga foreign invaders or mga bacteria na pumasok sa ating katawan, kung mapapansin natin, unang nangyayari sa ating katawan is magkakaroon tayo ng high fever or lagnat. So ibig sabihin habang dun sa part na yon, habang may lagnat tayo, meron nang lumalaban dun sa mga foreign invaders, yung ating immune system, no? Kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng lagnat during that stage. All right, so bago tayo mag-proceed, no, I want to share with you a good example of how important it is to grow in understanding the power of nutrition. So meron akong short story dito. This is way back in 1976. So sino na dito yung buhay during that time? Type 1 nga po tayo dyan kung meron. Sabi dito, an eye doctor was working in Indonesia to reduce the number of children who would go blind because of a deficiency in vitamin A. So he noticed that when these individuals were given vitamin A, they also were not dying from a common infections in the country. So meron ding measles and diarrhea during that time. So this led to studies and the eventual recommendation by the World Health Organization for universal vitamin A supplementation. So some have estimated that we could avoid up to 1 million deaths a year with simple vitamin A supplementation. So imagine niyo no, ang naisip lang talaga ng doctor is yung supplementation ng vitamin A para lang sa ating mga mata or para sa mata. Pero naka-resolve din pala siya ng other infectious disease like yung measles and diarrhea. Alright, so ano ba yung natutunan natin dun sa short story na yon? So this teaches us the whether it is vitamin A, D, or C, minerals like magnesium or zinc, or antioxidants from plants or protein. Our cells needs the right balance of nutrients to do the job we're meant to do. So which includes helping our bodies defend and recover from illness. So kailangan natin right balance of nutrition. All right. And syempre, keeping our defense high. We are blessed. And thank you sa ating Herbalife doctors and scientists. Meron tayong philosophy na not only addresses weight loss and reducing calories. So madalas pagka sinabing Herbalife, akala nila pampapayat lang or pampasexy. Actually, idagdag natin sa ating spiel or pagkipag-usap na we focus on our nutrient gaps. So our products have been created to meet the challenge of providing the nutrients our body needs. So diyan nga po papasok yung ating cellular nutrition. So syempre, saan ba magsisimula yan? Kaya natin tinawag yan, yung nakikita nyo sa screen ngayon na Formula 1. Yan po ang ating Formula 1 shake. So it helps you feel full, satisfied and energetic. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, it has a 9 grams of soy protein. And imagine niyo meron tayong 19 essential vitamins and minerals for balanced nutrition. So maliban sa ating F1 shake, again, meron din tayong mga supplementation. So una sa, kung meron tayong F1, meron din tayong Formula 2. So yan yung vitamins and minerals. So magka-partner po talaga yan, no? So it's a one-step top-up of vitamins and minerals. It provides 20 essentials vitamins and minerals plus lutein and lycopene with vitamin C, E, beta-carotene, B vitamins, and unique blend of herbs. Next, ang ating Mega Garlic. So, sino dito yung mahilig kumain ng bawang? Ako mahilig ako sa bawang, lalo na pag ginahalo dun sa, dun sa peanut, no, or sa mani. Pero, meron palang napakagandang benefits sa pagkain ng bawang. So, syempre, mahihirapan tayo kumain ng hilaw na bawang kasi sobrang anghang nun. So, again, thank you sa ating scientists and doctors. Meron tayong tinatawag na Mega Garlic Plus. So, it contains garlic to help maintain cardiovascular health, while vitamin C helps to provide antioxidant protection for the maintenance of good health. Alright. At syempre, di papahuli ang ating Herbalife line. So, kailangan natin to. Isa sa mga pang-depensa din natin. It's a fish oil with omega-3, fatty acids, EPA, and DHA, essential fatty acids for general health. Pero bago tayo mag-proceed to our next slide, again, this product is not intended to treat, cure, diagnose, or prevent any diseases. Alright, so while we continue to take necessary precautions to protect ourselves, let's continue to change the nutrition habits of the world. So, and make this world a healthier place for all. So, sabi nga ni Joy Spring and ni Wancho kanina, nutrition starts at home. Ngayon, meron din ako sariling mantra, no? So, syempre, since medyo na-involve ako sa sports, tulad ng paglalaro ng basketball, meron din tayong mga, katulad ng ating brand ambassador na si Cristiano Ronaldo for football, meron din akong sariling mantra na lagi kong ginagamit, no? Bago magsimula ang game. So ito yung defense win championship. So ganyan kahalaga para sa akin na unahing depensahan ng aking pangangatawan laban sa mga sakit-sakit at isa sa mga top na pang-defense ko is ang ating mga Herbalife products. At speaking of championship, so let's go to the next slide. Try ko ngang i-connect. So again, defense wins championship. Siyempre, saan pa tayo kundi sa number 1 na always laging champion in world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, well management and well-being and active and lifestyle nutrition. All right. So speaking of those products na kailangan natin. So sabi dito, nutrition for your best life. Nandyan na po lahat, kompleto lahat yan. And I'm so proud to say na we are also champion with the super brand seal. We are recognized here in the Philippines, no? So sino pa ba naman ang magdadalawang isip pa? Kundi let's continue to share yung power of nutrition sa mga kakilala natin. And also, I encourage everyone, no, na mag-invite pa tayo dito sa Virtual Nutrition Club kasi napakadami po natin matututunan dito. So, hindi lang yung mga products kundi syempre sa mga spiritual guidance which is every Sunday with Mother Arlene. Napaka-importante rin po 'yan para ma-absorb din natin at ma-share din natin sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. So I think that's it for me today. And naway meron po tayong natutunan at patuloy po natin again i-share ang power of nutrition. Just go back to the person who invited you and sabay-sabay po nating again isigaw. Ang nutrition starts at home. And back to you, to my beautiful wife, Coach Lori Rivas. Thank you.
Bowing-bowi talaga. So, yan, ulitin natin. Nutrition starts at home and as mentioned earlier, yung commitment po natin and also the opportunity to create core memories with our family. It starts with a personal goal, but it ends with having it as a family thing.